AI stocks just went crazy today. And no, it's not hype this time. Something big just shifted in the market, and it could trigger a new tech rally like we haven't seen since 2020. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're breaking down why AI stocks suddenly exploded, what triggered it, and what this means for your portfolio heading into the next few months. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what changed, and why this could just be the start of something huge for AI investors. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. Section 1. The big market shift. Alright, first things first. The reason we're seeing this massive jump isn't just hype, it's real economic change. Tariffs have been cut. President Trump just reduced tariffs on China by 10%. That might sound boring, but it's a game changer. It means cheaper parts, faster production, and less tension between the US and China. Section 1. The big market shift. Alright, first things first. The reason we're seeing this massive jump isn't just hype, it's real economic change. Tariffs have been cut. President Trump just reduced tariffs on China by 10%. That might sound boring, but it's a game changer. It means cheaper parts, faster production, and less tension between the US and China. All great news for companies building chips, servers, and robotics gear. The Fed just flipped the switch. For months, the Federal Reserve was tightening, selling bonds, pushing rates higher, and making money expensive. But this week, they quietly ended QT and started mild QE. In simple words, the money tap is turning back on. And when money becomes cheaper, growth stocks, especially AI and tech, explode first. Section 2. Earnings changed everything. Next, we had AI hyperscaler earnings, and every single major player beat expectations. Nvidia, Microsoft, Google all reported stronger than expected results and massive AI spending increases. What does that tell us? Companies aren't slowing down AI investments, they're doubling down. That's why smaller AI companies and suppliers are seeing their stocks skyrocket. The real bottleneck? Government shutdown. So if everything is positive, why aren't we already at record highs? Simple. Uncertainty. The US government shutdown is the last big weight on the market. Once that's lifted, all of this pent-up optimism could unleash what analysts are calling a year-end super rally. Think of it like a coiled spring. The longer it's pressed down, the harder it bounces back. Section 4. Real-world impact. Let's break it down in numbers. The S&P 500 usually gains about 4% in the last 10 weeks of the year. But with all this good news, lower tariffs, better earnings, and the Fed shifting gears, we could see double that. Meanwhile, retail investors are still scared, sitting on the sidelines. That's actually bullish, because the more people doubt the rally, the stronger it tends to be when it hits. Curiosity loop. But here's what's really interesting. This AI rally might not look like the one from earlier this year. It's not just Nvidia anymore. It's smaller, undervalued AI, robotics, and quantum tech companies quietly getting ready to explode. So before everyone rushes back into the big names, there's a huge opportunity hiding in plain sight. If you're serious about understanding these shifts before they go mainstream, hit that subscribe button. We post daily breakdowns of AI, robotics, and future tech plays that could be the next 1000% winners before anyone's talking about them. Which AI stock are you watching right now? I read every comment personally.